Forget what you think you know about meme stocks. GameStop and AMC are back in the spotlight, and this time the setup looks even more unstable and potentially explosive than it did in 2021. Why? Because the players are smarter, the capital is deeper, and the fuse is already lit. We're not talking about another hype cycle. We're talking about financial powder kegs building pressure in real time. In 2025, the war between GameStop and AMC isn't just about which one goes up, it's about which one blows up first. Each is armed with catalysts, controversy, and a retail army ready to squeeze every last drop of volatility. So which one takes the crown this time? If you want to catch market moves before they explode, hit subscribe now. One tap keeps you ahead of the noise. On May 28th, GameStop stunned investors by announcing it had acquired 4,710 bitcoins, worth approximately $513 million. That wasn't a gimmick or PR stunt. It was a seismic shift in how the company sees its future, not as a struggling retail chain, but as a financial asset player with crypto exposure. Yet despite a 24.8% surge in the 3 days leading up to the announcement, GameStop shares dropped nearly 11% that same day. That's not weakness, that's recalibration. Investors are trying to make sense of what this pivot actually means. The market's mixed reaction masked something critical. GameStop's relative strength rating jumped to 84, putting it in the top tier of stocks for momentum. And this move into Bitcoin could become an unintentional masterstroke. If crypto prices climb, GameStop's balance sheet gets stronger fast. Combine that with first quarter earnings scheduled for June 10th, and the conditions are perfect for a sentiment reversal or a breakout. Wall Street will be watching for signs that GameStop isn't just holding crypto, but integrating blockchain into its ecosystem. If that happens, we're no longer looking at a meme stock. We're looking at a potential fintech hybrid with explosive upside. While GameStop courts digital gold, AMC just reminded Wall Street why it should never count them out. Over Memorial Day weekend, AMC crushed expectations with a record-setting box office haul. Lilo & Stitch and the latest Mission Impossible drove $325 million in domestic ticket sales, the best Memorial Day showing in years. The market reacted fast. AMC stock jumped more than 20% in a single session, but just as quickly, it shed 14%, proving once again that this stock is built for adrenaline junkies. Traders don't need consistent growth, they need spikes, and AMC knows how to deliver them. What's fueling the next potential move isn't just the box office, it's the community. AMC remains a dominant force in social trading circles. Reddit threads are exploding with theories, setups, and countdowns to the next MOAs. Short interest is still high, borrow fees are creeping up, and momentum traders are watching every tick for a trigger. With more blockbuster releases lined up this summer and renewed interest from retail traders, AMC is sitting on a pressure cooker of sentiment. It doesn't take much for that pot to boil over. GameStop has a vault full of Bitcoin. AMC just pulled off a box office miracle. But here's what really matters. Both stocks are staring down catalysts powerful enough to light the match. So what could flip the switch? Just a quick shout out to our sponsor Moomoo Financial. If you're looking to start investing or expand your portfolio, Moomoo has an incredible offer just for you. When you open a brokerage account using the link in the description and deposit as little as $1, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock, and that stock could be worth up to $2,000. But that's just the beginning. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, Moomoo will reward you with 5 free stocks, each potentially valued at up to $2,000. That's a huge opportunity to kickstart your investing journey with minimal effort. And if you're ready to go all in, depositing $1,000 or more unlocks an even bigger reward, 15 free stocks. That means you could be looking at a total value of up to $30,000 in free stocks just by getting started. This is one of the best deals out there for new investors, and it's a great way to explore the stock market with zero commission trading, advanced tools, and a user-friendly platform. So, don't miss out. Click the link in the description, sign up, and grab those free stocks while this offer lasts. Now, let's jump right back into the video. In mid-May, both stocks surged in a move that had shades of 2021. GameStop ran up 271%, AMC rocketed 308%. Not because of earnings, not because of macro news, but because traders sensed the spark. Short sellers were caught off guard, volume exploded, and options activity went through the roof. The aftermath? Price pullbacks. Yes, but also a trail of data that tells a bigger story. Both stocks are seeing elevated short interest, both have retail support that refuses to fade, and both are triggering technical setups that point to potential breakouts. AMC's short interest ratio sits at a level suggesting it would take over 7 full days of trading to unwind current short positions. GameStop has seen irregular spikes in call option volume, suggesting institutional money is testing the waters again. Add in the scheduled events, GameStop's June 10th earnings and AMC's upcoming box office reports, and you have a situation where timing is everything. One surprise headline could ignite a firestorm. GameStop is betting on narrative. It wants to be more than a retailer. The Bitcoin move is bold and risky, but if it pays off, it transforms the company's identity and investor base. It becomes a volatility engine, linked not just to its own performance, but to crypto cycles as well. AMC, on the other hand, is still grounded in traditional metrics. It has cash flow, real customers, and product market fit, but its gains rely on media cycles and movie slates. If the content dries up, so might the momentum. Yet retail investors aren't thinking like institutions. They are chasing fire, they want that spark. And both of these names are offering plenty of it, but only one will become the centerpiece of the next squeeze. The market isn't done with meme stocks, not by a long shot. GameStop and AMC are proving that even after years of ups and downs, they still have the power to command attention and unleash chaos. GameStop is trying to reinvent itself as a digital asset powerhouse. AMC is leaning into entertainment and retail hype. Both have a shot, but one will break out first, and when it does, you'll want to be ready. Drop a comment and tell me, are you riding with GameStop or AMC in 2025? And if you found value in this breakdown, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next eruption.